To plot a point using its x and y coordinates, tap the Plot as XY tool. A preview appears of x and y coordinates that determine the location of a point. I'll tap the green check mark to complete the tool. I have plotted a point at 3, 5. If I tap this box, a number pad appears. I can now enter a new x-coordinate. I'll change the x-coordinate to 6. The x value of the point has become 6. In this next example, I've constructed a square and measured the side length of the square and the area of the square. As I drag the vertex of the square, its length and area measurements update automatically. I'd like to plot the length and area measurements as XY pairs to form a graph. To do so, I'll tap the Plot as XY tool. The x-coordinate is glowing. I'd like my x-coordinate to be the length of the square, so I'll tap the length to merge the x-coordinate to it. Now the y-coordinate is glowing. I'd like my y-coordinate to be the area of the square, so I'll tap the area to merge the y-coordinate to it. The tool is complete. I've plotted a point whose x-coordinate is the length of the square and whose y-coordinate is the area of the square. As I drag a vertex of the square, the plotted point moves to represent the updated measurements. I can use the Trace widget to trace the point. I'll tap the widget and then tap the point to trace it. Now, as I drag the square's vertex, the graph is formed.